Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add profile picture in Zoom. Having a profile picture makes your Zoom meeting looks more professional and personal, especially when your video is off. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you are logged in. Once you are in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings, then select Profile from the left panel. Here you will see your current profile picture. Click on it and choose an image from your computer that best represents you. After selecting the image, you can adjust and crop it to fit perfectly. Once you are satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Now, close the settings and return to the main Zoom window. Your new profile picture will be visible in meetings when your camera is off. And that's it. Now you know how to add a profile picture in Zoom on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.